So today we're gonna unbox one of my favorite gun accessories, the Ulticlip. I don't wear belts that often, so this is perfect. It goes right in your pants. It makes it so you can draw without needing a belt or having your holster come out with your gun because, you know, that just makes it useless. But the reason I'm changing it is because, as you can see, there's a space right here. I wore this with a belt or just something, a waistband, something on my waistband was too thick and it stretched it out. And when that happens, you can there's actually a video on the website that you can go to on ulticlip.com and just check it out. But that you can recalibrate this. But I failed, as you can see, tried everything that you could think of, probably to stuff I shouldn't have done. But yeah, so tossed it. It's not expensive. We bought a new one. Let's go. And it's fitted to your desired height. Like, I'm so fucking excited. But yeah, it's easy. Nothing really to it. 2-minute adjustment, and there you go.